అన్ఎంప్లాయిడ్ అని ఉంటారు.
ఆ 500 మెంబర్స్లో ఆ పోస్ట్లోకి ఫ్రమ్ దాంట్లో మొత్తం కరెక్షన్
కొందరు రిఫరెన్స్ ద్వారా అట్లా పోతుంది,
కొద్దిగా
మనీ బ్రైడ్ ఇచ్చి
కాంట్రాక్ట్ బేస్.
Hello everyone and hello team. So as a part of our project in collecting the information regarding unemployment in India, so we just now interviewed Mamu regarding this and it was pretty fine. So what he told is like in if there is some job like a police or constable job, some if there are nearly 500 vacancies are there, and out of which nearly 1 lakh people were applying for that, and more than 1 lakh also there are people were applying for that, in which only 500 people were getting employed and rest of the people were getting unemployed. So in order to resolve this problem, so what he told is like everyone has their need to find their own self-employment so that they can remove such kind of problem. Once they get self-employed, they will be get independent. So that is what the information that we gathered from Mamu. Hi team. So as a part of our survey, we came to Malkapur. So I found one uncle and I would like to ask some questions regarding our survey. So he would be answering that. Uncle, చెప్పండి.
మాకు మన పిల్లలను బాగానే చదివించినా కానీ మాకు ఆ పిల్లలకు ఉద్యోగం రాక చాలా అవస్థపడుతున్నాం. కాకపోతే మాకు ఉద్యోగాలు ఇవ్వడం.
As we see the uncle's talk, what he told is like they have been investing much more money on their children in order to complete their graduation and education and all, but they are not able to get the jobs. Though they are skillful and talented, they are not getting the government jobs because the government jobs has been sold to some other people, but those are not offered to a correct skilled people. That is what the uncle told. As a part of our survey, we met Mr. Banu and he will be adding some point regarding unemployment.
అన్న నాది ఏంటంటే జాబ్ వల్ల ఏం ఉపయోగం లేదు. ఈ తెలంగాణ వచ్చి నుంచే ఎన్నో జాబ్లు ఇస్తానన్నారు ప్లస్ ఒకటి ఇవ్వలేరు. వచ్చిన దానికి 40% కూడా ఇవ్వలేరు. దానికి ఏంటంటే నా రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ నా.
Well, according to Banu, what he told is if I have good amount of land and good amount of assets, tractors, everything, and agriculture, farming, everything, so why I should not go to for education and why I should struggle for jobs? So instead of that, I will be walking up on my land and already have my good land and I will be taking care of my farm. So that is what he told about this, and that's why most of the people were like being unemployed.
ఇంటర్ చేసిన చేసుకున్నాను చదువు సోమత లేక అప్లై చేసుకున్నాను.
Hello team, as a part of our survey on unemployment in India, so I met Mr. Praveen Kumar. He's a bike mechanist. He's a bike mechanic, and according to him, what he told is like because of financial status of the family, he is not able to do his graduation, and most of the families in India are like that because they can't put a large amount of money on the education. So that's why they are not able to do their graduation and they are becoming unemployed. So that is the point that we got from Mr. Praveen Kumar.